teach you how to create a base in Airtable. A base is the home for a project or workflow in Airtable. Think of it like a smart, flexible spreadsheet that holds everything you need: tables, fields, and your data, all in one place. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. If you don't already have the site open, just type the address into the address bar and press Enter. Once you're there, sign in to your Airtable account. This takes you to your workspace, where you can see any existing bases and create new ones. From the workspace, look for the option labeled Create or Add a Base. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as a button, a plus icon, or a card with a plus symbol. Click it to start the setup process. You'll be asked whether you want to start from scratch or choose a template. Starting from scratch gives you a blank slate, perfect if you already know exactly how you want your information structured. Templates, on the other hand, are pre-built bases for common use cases like project tracking, content calendars, or inventories. They can save time and show you best practices. If you're brand new, previewing a template can help you understand how tables and fields work together before you customize. Next, enter a clear, descriptive name for your base. Choose something that reflects the project or team it belongs to, so it's easy to find later. A good name helps collaborators quickly understand the purpose of the base at a glance. Now add tables and fields as needed. A table is a set of similar records, like projects, tasks, clients, or assets. Fields are the columns in those tables, and each field has a type that controls what it stores. For example, use single-line text for names or notes, number for quantities or costs, date for deadlines, checkbox for simple yes/no values, and single select for standardized options. You can also add fields for attachments, links, or collaborators if they fit your workflow. Rename fields to match your process, and add more tables to keep different categories of information organized. If you see a Create Base button during setup, click it to finalize. In some views, Airtable saves as you go, but it's always safe to confirm when prompted. With your base ready, start adding and organizing your data. Enter a few sample records to test your structure, then sort and filter to highlight what matters. Hide fields you don't need to see all the time, and try different views, like grid or calendar, to visualize your work. That's it. You've created a base in Airtable and taken the first step toward a cleaner, more organized workflow.